What up? What up, Black Anonymous? What's going on? What's going on, Black Anonymous? What it is? What's up, y'all? We here. We here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. And we out of here. All right. So like, share, comment, and subscribe. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know the freaking vibes. It's your boy, Suicide Pastor Lee. We in the building. Yeah. So what's up? What's up? All right. Cool, cool, cool. Hit the notification bell, all of that. I know what it is, man. Cash App Soul Mirror 29, PayPal Suicide Ace 29. Let's get into it. All right. Before we start, y'all know how we do. All right, let's go. Okay. What up, Smitty? What's going on? Smitty in the building. What's good? What's good? What's good? All right, so we got Nicki Minaj. We're going to start off with Nicki Minaj first. What up, AJ in the building? We're going to start off with the Nicki Minaj versus the jab first. Have y'all been paying attention? Nicki Minaj going against the vaccine because I think it's her cousin or something like that who's supposed to get married. He got the vaccine and his genitals allegedly got swollen. So she took it to social media. You know what up, Felicia? She took it to social media. People went crazy. The people, people, some women, got some black women that's attacking Nicki Minaj, that's on these news reporting stations and saying that she's giving out misinformation. And then now Nicki Minaj, then her Twitter got suspended. First it was disabled, and then they came back and said it was suspended. And now they saying Nicki Minaj saying that they after her family. They saying that they after Nicki Minaj said her family in Trinidad gotta hide because Nicki Minaj is standing up for the against the vaccine. What y'all think about that? Nicki Minaj versus the jab, aka the vaccine, the pokety poke. You know what I'm saying? She said somebody, close to her, they took the shot, was supposed to get married, but their genitals had swollen up. And so she's against it for a minute. But some people say for her tour, she gotta take it. So maybe she gotta take it for her tour. So, it's kind of wild. I mean, we see what's going on. We see what's going on. Y'all see it. We all see it. We see what's going on. You got some people who take it and they're fine. What up, Barnell Hill? Some people take it and they're fine. Some people take it and they're not fine. Okay, some people got complications. Some other people don't got complications, and that's why it's going on. Like, oh, it's okay, because some people got some stuff. Then you got a amount of people that do got some stuff. But the trick of this all is that who is putting out the numbers? Now that's what you got to look at. Who is putting together the numbers? And that's where you can say, okay, hold up. Because we have seen doctors come out and say things are not what it seems. So we can't discount the people that work in there. Can we just act like they don't exist now? Ever since it started, you have doctors quitting. You got doctors quitting right now. So we can't just act like, oh no, y'all don't know what science is. You can't say that to people who actually work in there and give out the shots. Are you telling me you know more than the people who give out the shots? Nah, we ain't gonna do that, are we? So we have to start realizing and stop letting the media tell you that celebrities only can just be celebrities. They can't be political. They can't talk about this. They only can be celebrities. That don't make no damn sense. Because if that's what you want to do, then you only can be a regular person and you can't speak on celebrities because that's a different thing. Is that how y'all want to carry it? Because I see a lot of y'all got all y'all opinions about all the celebrities, what they should do, what they supposed to do. But then when they speak out like Nicki Minaj and other people, you're gonna let people say, well, you're just supposed to be quiet. You can't mix politics with this and you can't mix politics with that. Politics is life. What you mean? What up, Auntie? Auntie in the building. What up, Auntie? So I'm confused. Okay, I'm confused on how they're gonna tell celebrities they're not allowed to talk about politics and passing laws and stuff like that. But any other time, y'all be talking about, hey, celebrities, say something. Celebrities, can you say something, celebrity? Oh, why you not saying nothing? Why you not saying nothing? See, and this is the problem. This is the problem right here. Y'all is letting the media tell y'all who to tell what to do and what not to do. And then when somebody come to you and say the same thing, you gonna tell them they can't tell you what to do. So I'm confused. Are you in the business of telling people what to do, or are you in the business of not telling people what to do? Because that's what's really going on today. They acting like celebrities not allowed to speak up for what they want to speak up for. I'm confused because aren't they human beings? Don't they have family members? Don't they have feelings? All they are is people that got a job in front of the world. Other than that, they're regular human beings like you and me. So why do y'all? Oh, you need to be quiet, Nicki Minaj. What? Nicki Minaj need to be quiet because she feels a certain way about something? That makes absolutely no sense. Now, if you want to take the jab, aka the vax, then that's your choice. But if somebody else is, suspicious or want to know more, you can't get mad at them because they're suspicious. If you're not suspicious and you want to get it, then you do that. But don't be trying to get mad at other people or tell other people they can't speak out about it and they can't acquire more information or they can't look at a situation and say, hell no, or hell yeah. What up, Tanya Hicks? Just like the basketball player, Karl Anthony Towns. His mom has passed away from that. So he's telling people you're crazy if you don't get it. But I understand why he's saying that, because in his life, somebody was affected by it, so he believed you're supposed to get it. I understand. I'm not going to get mad because Karl Anthony Towns from the Minnesota Timberwolves say all of y'all who don't get the jab, aka vax, is stupid and crazy and dumb. I'm not going to get mad at him because I understand where he's coming from. I don't have to agree with it, but I understand. And that's what this all about. Understanding. Not trying to push your agenda on somebody, because isn't that the favorite word? Agenda. Well, we all have an agenda. So can you start telling people what your agenda is now? I find it kind of odd that people scream agenda while they have their own agenda, but don't want to put their agenda on the same plateau as the other agenda, which that's where your agenda is. You want to stop their agenda. You want people not to look at their agenda. You want them to look at your agenda and believe in your agenda more than their agenda. But that is what is going on. See, people don't like to just put it out there in its entirety. They want to run what they say agenda. You're supposed to give people the whole plate so they can dissect and assess how they want to assess it. Because what I think maybe not is what you think. What I believe is maybe not what you believe. But people are out here turning on each other because somebody didn't want to get something and the other person wanted to get it. You don't turn on people because of that. You need to understand, okay, you want to do that? Cool, do your thing, but I'm going to be over here with that. Well, you crazy, you thick. You need to start paying attention to how things are being placed and put into certain places, and you are biting the bait. You're biting the bait. They're telling you to be mad at the unvaxxed. Be mad at the unvaxxed. Be mad at the unvaxxed. Yeah, we're going to punish the unvaxxed. Wait a minute. I thought y'all said in the beginning, it's your choice. Do what you do. Now, all of a sudden, it's the unvaxxed versus the vax now? Come on, man. Y'all don't see what's going on. You got to start taking back the power, man. You know the games. Go look on. There's a lot of clips. There's a lot of things going on around the world concerning this. People are striking against this because they know it's not right. It takes up to 5 to 8 to 7, maybe even more years to make sure to do the clinical research on the vax. 5 years plus. It has not been 5 year plus since they inserted a damn vax. So why do you think people are like, what the hell? What up, Kishi? What's going on? Why are y'all not paying attention to that? It takes 5 to 7 years plus to even test out a damn jab or a vax before you even present it to the public. 5 to 7 to 8 plus years. It hasn't even been 3. Are y'all not understanding that now? Even President Trump said that it takes 5 years or more to even consider giving a public a vaccine. It takes 5 years. Even Trump said that. And somehow y'all are telling people they're crazy for not getting it. They're not even following proper protocol. How the hell you not following proper protocol when giving the public a vax, the jab? It's 5 plus years before you introduce it to the world. You got to take 5 years to get it, to look at it, to test it before you even give it to the world. That is proper protocol. Even the Trump said that. What up, hippie soul? But y'all saying people tripping, huh? They not even following proper protocol, man. What y'all talking about? Where's the proper protocol at? They skipping all that. Trump said we're 5 years ahead. Don't y'all remember that tweet? Trump said we're 5 years ahead. Why the hell would I trust something that's 5 years ahead when you're supposed to take 5 years to do it? I don't want to hear nothing about no technology. I don't want to hear nothing about that. Proper protocol is where I stand. So where's proper protocol? Where is it? So I'm not mad at Nicki Minaj has every right to say, I don't know about this. I don't know about that. Just like you have a right to say, hey, I'm going to take it. I'm good. Let's get it. Everyone has a right to say yes or no and mind your goddamn business. Do not be looking at some unvax and say you're crazy, or do not be looking at the vax and say you're crazy. Let people do what they want to do to themselves. That has nothing to do with you. Now you got somebody, I think, out there in Atlanta or somewhere that was fighting because they wasn't let in. The mandate is you have to be vaccinated to eat here. It's a group of black people who came from out of town who wanted to just have some fun and eat at a certain place, and they start fighting the hostess. The hostess, they start beating up the hostess because they couldn't get in the restaurant. This is becoming ridiculous, man. Y'all know what it is. A lot of y'all want to pretend like you don't know what it is. If you don't know, just go start looking and you will see it. But if you don't want to accept the information, then don't go asking or looking for it, because it's actually right there in front of you what's really going on. If you really want to know, just actually believe in it, put it out in the universe and go look, and you're going to find it. But a lot of y'all be acting like y'all want to know until the truth come out. Then you want to say, nah, I don't believe that. You know what I'm saying? I don't. Nigga, it's right there in front of you. Why are you not paying attention? You're not understanding what's going on right now. I mean, come on, man. It's right there, bro. So we got to understand that, man. Nicki Minaj has every right. Stop telling celebrities they need to be quiet. Y'all got enough money. Be quiet. Really? Well, you ain't got enough, so you should be quiet too. Since celebrities have enough money and y'all want them to be quiet and they're not allowed to voice their opinion, well, you ain't got enough, so you should just shut up too then, right? You should never cry about nothing because you ain't got enough money to cry any goddamn way. Your cries can't even reach certain areas. At least they cries can. Oh, I didn't say that. Your cries can't even reach certain people. At least Nicki Minaj's cries can. To get the room shaking, your cry, you ain't got enough money or a statue for your cries to reach anybody that's important. So maybe you should shut up too then, right? See, they don't want to put it like that. Leave celebrities alone. They just like you. They just got more money than you, and their job is in front of the world. That's it. Leave celebrities alone. They're allowed to voice their opinion and make mistakes just like you. The only difference is their job is in front of the world and they probably got more money than you. That is the only difference. Other than that, it's the same as your ass. You need to wake up out of that freaking trance that they put you in to make you think it's celebrities versus us. No, that's not how that is. That's really not true at all. They are regular people like you. Do you got some people that stuck up that live that life? Of course. But it's niggas like us that stuck up too. Which means what? It's the same damn thing. So with that being said, man, Nicki Minaj I have no problem with her questioning anything that she might put in her body because she's supposed to. And for people crying, you need to look at yourself because we see you be crying about stuff too, don't you? You don't want people to tell you to shut up. If you're passionate about something, or you want to make sure that you want to spend your money or whatever, right? And you want to get the best knowledge you can. You don't want nobody telling you, man, shut up, man. Just shut up and take it, man. Man, shut up. Just get it because they said so. Nah, nuh-uh. It's people who control this and people who control that. Ain't nobody want to hear that, man. Nobody trying to hear that. Leave people alone. Y'all are being programmed to attack people for no damn reason at all. For the same reason that you don't want to be attacked. You don't want to be attacked, so why are you attacking people then? You got to start practice living how you preach. You got to start living how you preach. Treat people how you want to be treated. If you want to make your decisions without people calling you out, then you got to let other people make decisions while you are calling them out. Let them do their thing. But people be out here thinking they so slick. So salute to Nicki Minaj on that. I ain't got no problem with that. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got no problem with that. I think anybody should be able to ask or find out what they putting in their body. Anybody should be able to do that. So I ain't got no problem with that, man. I ain't got no problem with that at all. At all. All right. So moving right along. We got Brother Polight in his hearing. Who's seen the Brother Polight hearing yesterday? Who's seen it? Anybody in here seen it? Anybody in here seen the Brother Polight hearing? The charges, other people like Esquire, my buddy Esquire, she went live with Chief X and explained it. Magi from the Amarad Squad, he went live and explained the charges and all of that. So who's seen it? Kishi said she did. Okay, so let's break it down. What I learned. Okay, the charges that were dropped, right, or less they dropped it down to something less, right? Those charges can be picked back up or not. That's what I learned from watching The Real Lawyer. Make sure you subscribe to Empowered Esquire TV, my buddy. Okay. Empower Esquire TV. Okay, make sure you subscribe to that. That's our lawyer who gives it to you straight. Okay, who gives it to you straight. So make sure he's a beautiful soul. That's our buddy. So make sure you support Empowered Esquire TV, and she gives us the straight up with no chaser. Okay, she give you the people what the people need to know, and she shows you how you can find out and read it for yourself when it comes to the statutes in Florida. So you make sure you sub to Empowered Esquire TV, man. That's our buddy. Okay, so she let us know that those charges can be picked back up or maybe not. So it's not 100% sure that they threw it in the trash. But they're not dealing with it right now, but they can pick those charges that got reduced. They can pick it back up if they choose to. Maybe yes or maybe no. That's the first thing. Okay. Now, the other charges, okay, the other charges are not as simple as Polight made them, and we don't know why Polight made them that way. And Polight is on IG actually taunting after they told Polight not to taunt. He went back on IG today taunting. If you got Polight's IG, I want you to go look at it right now. He was on the Zoom court. They told him, don't be talking about the case or doing any taunting to the witness and all of that. This nigga went right back on IG and is taunting niggas. Hey, I'm just saying, man. That's what they said inside of the Zoom court. Hey, man, you have a First Amendment right, but it's limited. You cannot be taunting. Yes, and they gave him a stay away order. Yes, they did. They gave him a stay away order. He cannot contact or anything, and he cannot be doing any taunting to the defendant. And this nigga went right back on IG after they told this nigga in court, after the lady said, oh, this nigga on IG talking like this, he talking like that. It looks like he's taunting the victim and all of that. This nigga gets back on IG. It's like, he went Aminette. He posted a picture with Aminette and said, yeah, y'all, they always trying to take down a pillar in the community. A pillar in the community. That's what the nigga said. I'm a pillar in the community. They always trying to take down a pillar in community. And y'all would be celebrating with us if you knew what we knew. Laughing emoji. What? I thought they said you're not supposed to do this, Polight. I could have swore in your court Zoom meeting, they said you cannot be taunting the victim. You can't do that, Polight. And you said, okay, you understood. Nigga, you went right back on IG taunting them. Taunting people. You'll be celebrating with us if you knew what we knew. They always trying to take down the pillar of the community. Nigga, first of all, you ain't a pillar in my community. I don't know what community you talking about. We got to stop letting niggas use community as they put on underwear. Today, they using community like they put on socks and drawers. Oh, the community. Nigga, what community is this nigga even talking about? These niggas get to use community so freely like they put on underwear and socks? Nah, son, nah. Cat Smith said he's going to prison for a long time. He think it's a joke. They definitely watching his online behavior. Man, it's crazy. This nigga got back online and said, y'all be celebrating with us if you knew what we knew. Laughing emoji. They just told you you're not supposed to do this. That means the victim could see that and be like, damn, this nigga don't care about us. They just told this nigga not to do that. And he went right back online taunting the victim. What is going on here? Black Texas Cowgirl, how you doing? I don't understand, man. I just don't understand. This dude think that he's better than everybody. And it's sad, bro. This shit is getting out of hand, man. They just told him no taunting. And this nigga went back on IG taunting. If you knew what we knew, you'll be celebrating with us. What the fuck? Now, let's get to those other charges that we seen, right? What is it called? Lucidius, I think that's the name. Lewd and Lucidius, right? those are actually serious charges too. But he think they're not because he think that they're not going to be able to prove it. Okay, we don't. He's saying the DNA is not enough. Polight is laughing in everybody's face right now. He's saying that DNA is not enough. And whatever her story is ain't going to be enough. And I'm going to walk out scot-free. And that's what's going on. And the defense attorney definitely confirmed the sperm was definitely on that young lady. Yes, she did confirm that, Kishi. But remember, there was like, well, why she bombarding? Why she bombarding? I don't know, y'all. Polight, this lady that's going against Polight, she wasn't prepared. She didn't file the motions that she should have filed before this date. Oh, I'm going to get on that. She should have been filed the motions. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know what's up with the lady that's defending the victim, but she needs to get her shit together because Polight is over there laughing at these niggas. What up, Black Pearl? And that shit looking crazy, man. That shit looking crazy. That Polight is back on social media laughing at the victim. Laughing. I don't know. I wasn't there, y'all. I wasn't there. But they told him not to do this, and he got back on IG doing it again. So I don't know. That lady was not prepared. It was so sad, y'all. I'm like, this nigga about to get off, bro. This nigga about to get off because the lady is not even prepared. This nigga gonna get off. So I don't know what's going on, man. She's acting like they got strong evidence. The bail was raised, okay? The bail was raised. So his bail got raised to like 46,000. You know what I'm saying? It got raised to like 40. What is it? 46,000? I forgot. I forgot how much it got raised. I think it got raised to 46,000. He's not allowed to contact the victim in any type of way, third party or nothing, or his bail would be revoked and all of that, and he'll have to go. Get locked up. His next court date is December 3rd, so he got a couple months. But he's laughing, man, and this stuff is crazy, bro. Okay, all right. So I don't know, man. This stuff, but the other charges are not simple. So what Polight has to do, okay? Polight has to prove that is a lie. That's one, okay? Hold on. Hold on. She got to understand what we're talking about. She was prepared. That's why she brought up the receipt. Stop trying to make her look dumb. She was well prepared to chop him down. Cat Smith. What was you watching, Cat Smith? Please let us know what you was watching. Let us know what you was watching, Cat Smith. We're not saying that she was like not prepared to talk to the judge. We didn't say that. We saying that the motion should have been filed a long time ago. Even the judge said that. Hello? Even Polight's lawyer was like, nigga, why you didn't do that a long time ago? Everybody was like, why you didn't do that a long time ago? I'm confused on what you talking about. Even the judge told her, nigga, don't come in here with stuff that you haven't filed yet. She was not prepared. The judge told her she wasn't prepared. Even Polight's lawyer was like, what the hell you talking about? Don't come in here with all that bullshit. If it's not filed, we don't want to hear that shit. And that's what the judge said too. Don't come bombarding us with stuff that you haven't filed yet. Come on, Cat Smith. You cannot be upset and not tell the truth. If you upset, be upset, whatever. That's on you. But don't come up here not telling the whole damn story. Even the judge told her don't be bringing that shit up. Even the judge told her, if you ain't filed no motions and got it ready, what the hell you talking to me for? You're just trying to bombard me with shit. And that same thing Polight lawyer said. Cat Smith is not telling y'all the full truth. Okay, now hold on. Let's skip down here. She brought up the girl had the semen on her face. Listen, Cat Smith. Listen. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. No, the judge did not say that. You slip protecting Polight and Sonetta. This is wrong with people. You don't even know these niggas. What's wrong with you? Why are you emotionally attached to something that you have no dealings in? Look at these niggas. Look at them. You have no attachment to Polight or Sonetta or the situation, and you will make shit up because niggas is telling the truth. Now watch this. Hey, this is somebody else who watched it. She had plenty of time to do so when the DNA came up as matched. Oh, so I guess both of us is lying then. I guess both of us is just lying. Look at this. Let's go to this right here. She didn't file a motion before the hearing. Oh, shit. I guess both of Kishi, me and you are just protecting Polight and Sonetta. Me and you protecting Polight and Sonetta, Kishi. Wow. We're going to tell the truth, but we're protecting Polight and Sonetta. Ain't that something? Sonetta has nothing to do with this, but this person would say, you protecting Polight like Sonetta is. Sonetta ain't got nothing to do with this. Got nothing to do with this, but she would bring up Sonetta. Do y'all see what's going on with these people? They ain't got no real dealings in this. Nothing. So why are they acting like this? Just get the information and get some more information and get some more information. That's it. What is wrong with these people? That lady was not prepared, and we watched it. Now, this woman wants to play these games like we don't know that she brought up the semen. We heard her bring up the semen on the clothing. We heard her bring up the semen on the clothing. They said, we're not here for that. We're not here for that, Your Honor. What the hell is she talking about? We're not here for that. That's crazy, bro. I mean, you know what? Let's go ahead. Let's go play it, y'all. We might as well let y'all hear the audio because this shit crazy right here. Let's see if I can go find the audio real quick. Let's turn this on because, you know, let's go find the audio because this person right here want to act like we don't know what the fuck we talking about. And this is sad right here, too. Sonetta is not protecting Polight at all. And this person will actually say that because they think they got some dealings. You ain't got no dealings in this situation. Pipe your ass down. You don't even nobody. You don't know nobody personally or nothing. And you out here making assumptions on this. And that's why Sonetta said, nigga, I'm not doing that. Sonetta said he gonna wait till everything come out. I'm not jumping. And I agree. Sonetta is right. I'm just gonna wait till everything unfold little by little. Little by little, I'm just going to make my opinion about everything that come out little by little. We're going to see at the end. Look at this. This is crazy, man. This is crazy. She had plenty of time to do so when the DNA came up as a match. Say it again, Kishi. Say it again, Kishi. The judge said it. Everybody said it. Polight lawyers said it. The judge said it. Nigga, we said it. Girl, what the hell was you waiting on? What the fuck are you waiting on? Look at this. No, the judge didn't say that. You sleep. Look at that. Now watch this. Okay, the judge didn't say that. If she didn't file the motion, the case would have been dropped. Some people are really dumb. Girl, what are you talking about? You don't even know what are you talking about? If she didn't file the motion, the case would have been dropped. What the fuck? This shit crazy, man. Keisha, you see this? This lady don't even know what she's talking about, y'all. She don't even know what she's talking about. This shit is sad, bro. She don't even know. If she didn't file the motion, girl, you don't even know what you're arguing. You have no idea what you are arguing. That is sad, bro. Sad, man. This person don't even know what they talking about, y'all. Let's go find the audio, man. Hold on. Let's go find it. Because this person's up here losing their mind because they want to be right about everything. Nigga, you don't even know Polight. Get your feelings out of this. Nigga, you need to just chill and wait to see what the hell going on. You don't know these niggas. What the hell you mad for? Sonetta ain't trying to protect no damn body. You just out here making up lies on people. Because that's what y'all like to do. Lie on niggas. You don't even know shit about nothing. Hold on. Let's go get the audio then, nigga. Now, I want y'all to stay right here. Some people are really dumb. Watch this shit. Let's go get the audio, man, because this shit crazy right here. Let's go find this audio real quick. Because this sad right here. Think they can call out people. Nigga, I watched the video. Like, I watched it. Now, I want y'all to understand. Here we go. We finna go find the audio because people out here trying to act like we crazy. They try to act like we crazy. Okay? So let's go ahead and find the audio. The niggas want to say, y'all ain't know that, y'all ain't know that. Okay, hold on. Let's go find it. Hold on, y'all. Let's go find it then. Hold on. That's sad, too. Hold on. Let's go find the audio. Where it's at? Right here. Let's go. Okay. Oh, here you go. Right here. Let's go find it.
Yes, Judge, I did not file a motion. So what happened in this case, Your Honor, is
here we go.
This is a media case. He was arrested for punishable by life crimes. He should have been held no bond. However, this is one of those charges where the PBL comes in at the very end of the charge, and I think the clerk's office made an error, allowed him to bond out prior to seeing a bond appearance or prior to going to bond hearing. Somehow I think he was given standard bond of $21,000, $10,000 on count 1 and count 2, and then $1,000 on count 3, Judge. My issue, Judge, is that there's no stay-away order on the case yet. That's why, Your Honor, asked the defendant to be present. I also am very concerned that the defendant has been essentially terrorizing the victim. The victim's 14 years old, and there's been a lot of...
Since the arrest?
Since the arrest, Judge, she's been very communicative on, he's been very vocal on social media.
Huh? What that say, Cat Smith? He been very vocal on social media, terrorizing the victim. Huh? Where you at, Cat Smith? Because she just said it. Run it back. Watch this. Watch this. Run it back. Run it back. Watch this. What up, Mimi? See, y'all gotta watch out for people like this. They don't even know these people, and they running around putting their emotions in it. Take your emotions out of this, nigga. You not in this. We want the truth out. That's it. We want the truth out. That's it. This nigga running around lying to y'all. Let's run it back. Let's run it back, nigga. Let's run it back. Say that again. Say it again.
For punishable by life crimes, he should have been held no bond. However, this is one of those charges where the PBL comes in at the very end of the charge, and I think the clerk's office made an error, allowed him to bond out prior to seeing a bond appearance or prior to going to bond hearing. Somehow I think he was given standard bond of $21,000, $10,000 on count 1 and count 2, and then $1,000 on count 3, Judge. My issue, Judge, is that there's no stay-away order on the case yet. That's why, Your Honor, asked the defendant to be present. I also am very concerned that the defendant has been essentially terrorizing the victim. The victim's 14 years old, and there's been a lot of...
Since the arrest?
Since the arrest, Judge, she's been very communicative on, he's been very vocal on social media, on, there's been videos of the victim drugged by this defendant leaked online. Your Honor, on this case, we do have DNA showing that the defendant's sperm was on the victim's clothing.
Your Honor, may I ask?
Bow! Now, she never said face. It said clothing. Watch this. Watch this. Let's go back up. Let's go back up, y'all. She brought up the girl had semen on her face. It said clothing. Didn't y'all hear her say clothing, not face? So how do you just lie like this? I told you I watched the whole video. She said clothing. This woman said semen on her face. She just said clothing. Clothing. This woman says face. Do you see how these people will go in the chat rooms and try to use their personal feelings? You don't even know these niggas. Take your personal feelings out. That's what's wrong with these people. They're getting online and trying to use their personal feelings in something they don't know nothing about. Now we had to go get the audio just to prove that this woman is lying. It's a goddamn shame. And that's what's going on, everybody. It's a lot of people on here just going around lying for no apparent reason. Just lying and lying and lying. Well, I don't like this person, so I'm a lie. I don't like this person, so I'm a lie. They just lying. This woman lied for no reason. Like the audio is not up. Let's go back and hear it again. She's going to say the semen is on the victim's clothing, not face. Watch this. Let's run it back. Watch this shit. Let's go.
And count 2, and then 1,000 on count 3.
It's a goddamn shame, man.
My issue, Judge, is that there's no stay-away order on the case yet. That's why, Your Honor, asked the defendant to be present. I also am very concerned that the defendant has been essentially terrorizing the victim. The victim's 14 years old, and there's been a lot of...
Since the arrest?
Since the arrest, Judge, he's been very communicative on, he's been very vocal on social media, on, there's been videos of the victim drugged by this defendant leaked online. Your Honor, on this case, we do have DNA showing that the defendant's sperm was on the victim's clothing.
Your Honor, may I ask why any of this is appropriate considering?
Did you hear that? On the victim's clothing. If you go watch the video, they got the caption on. Where you get whatever they talk, it comes up at the bottom of the screen. It never said face, it said clothing. But you know, niggas will just go around saying whatever. Just go watch. This is why you can't trust a lot of people. You need to see evidence. People will go in people's chat room and just lie. Just lie for no reason. On the video, the words are typed out with the caption. So when they speak, the words are typing out on the screen. It said clothing, not face. Now let's watch this. Watch, he said, Your Honor, what the fuck is this, Your Honor? Watch this.
No motion has been filed. Yeah, that's the thing. I don't...
Hold on. She said if the motion wasn't filed, the case be dropped. Come on, polite lawyer. School this person in it. Watch this. What you say, polite lawyer? What you say? Watch this.
And there's been a lot of...
Since the arrest?
Since the arrest, Judge, he's been very communicative on, he's been very vocal on social media, on, there's been videos of the victim drugged by this defendant leaked online. Your Honor, on this case, we do have DNA showing that the defendant's sperm was on the victim's clothing.
Your Honor, may I ask why any of this is appropriate considering no motion has been filed?
What did he say? Your Honor, why is any of this present and being spoke about if no motion has been filed? What? What? You see how people just lie? Look at it. Let's go back. Now, would this person would apologize? No. Where's this person at? Look at this. Huh? If she didn't file any motion, the case would be dropped. Some people are really dumb. Nigga, what? What? This is why you can't listen to a lot of people. They would just lie because they want to have some, I'm just mad right now, so I'm just going to say whatever. Nigga, even polite lawyer just said, Your Honor, why is she bringing this shit up about social media if she didn't file no motion about this nigga doing shit on social media? What's wrong with you, bitch? Let's run it back because this person said if she didn't file the motion, the case would be dropped. Well, nigga, we're talking about social media, idiot. You dumbass. You're the real dummy. We're talking about social media. She never filed the motion for him be talking and allegedly taunting the victim on social media. She never filed the motion to get him to stop. That's what they're talking about. You stupid ass, you dummy. Now come and apologize to everybody. Say it again, dog. Tell him again. Tell this woman again.
On, he's been very vocal on social media. On, there's been videos of the victim drugged by this defendant leaked online. Your Honor, on this case, we do have DNA showing that the defendant's sperm was on the victim's clothing.
Your Honor, may I ask why any of this is appropriate considering no motion has been filed? That's the thing. I don't like being ambushed with all of this. This is... Nor do I, Your Honor. This is entirely inappropriate. If in fact the state was seeking a motion for pretrial detention, they should have done it. As far as the stay-away order is concerned...
Wow. She said the judge never said that. Let's go back again. She said the judge didn't say that. We just heard the judge say, look, if the state was seeking that type of punishment or you was seeking that type of motion, why the hell you didn't file it already? I don't like being bombarded. She said the judge never said that. Huh? She said the judge never said that. Where that shit at? Where is that, yo? Where is that? She said the judge never said that. Where the fuck is that comment at? The judge just said, I don't like being bombarded. If that's what you see, why you should have already did it. Where's that comment at? We schooling her. I told you, man, it's a goddamn shame how people would just fucking lie. It's a goddamn shame why people would just fucking lie when you could just pull up the fucking audio. This person is a nasty. This person would lock you up for. She would use a lie to lock your nigga up. This person will use a lie to lock you up. These are nasty ass people like this. They will use a lie to lock you up. Okay, now where's that shit where she said the judge never say that? Where the fuck is that at, y'all? Where's that comment at? Hold on. Okay, here you go. Here you go right here. The judge didn't say that. Here we go. Let's run it back. Let's run it back. You got to watch out for people like this. They have no dog in this fight and still will lie on niggas. Now you seeing Soleiman, you seeing all of these niggas running around lying on people. Soleiman, Auntie Big Nose, all of these niggas will go around just lying on niggas for no apparent reason. Now let's run it back. What you say, Judge? Judge, what you say?
I can certainly
run it back. Listen to the judge.
Drugs by this defendant leaked online. Your Honor, on this case, we do have DNA showing that the defendant's sperm was on the victim's clothing.
Your Honor, may I ask why any of this is appropriate considering no motion has been filed? Yeah, that's the thing. I don't like being ambushed with all of this. This is... Nor do I, Your Honor. This is entirely inappropriate. If in fact the state was seeking a motion for pretrial detention, they should have done it. I mean, as far as the scaling order is concerned, I can certainly do that. But I just can't go ahead with allegations from the state.
What? What the judge say? I don't like being bombarded with stuff that you ain't even... Why you haven't filed the motion? Pre-trial. The judge said you could have filed this shit pre-trial. Before the trial, you could have filed it. She said the judge didn't say that. She told us the judge didn't say that. No, the judge didn't say that. Y'all sit your... The judge just said it, y'all. Y'all heard it for you. You want to hear it again? These people are nasty. People like this are nasty. And there's so many of them in these people chat rooms lying on people. And they protect niggas like Soleiman and Auntie Big Nose. Niggas like Auntie Big Nose, Suge, and Soleiman are the real nasty niggas. We got paperwork on them niggas. We got 13-year-olds on fucking video explaining what Suge nasty ass did, and they protect these niggas. Now, Polight is going through trial, and we trying to see what the fuck it is, and this person gonna come in here and lie. The judge didn't say that. She was very prepared. Nigga, the judge said, what the fuck going on? Polight attorney said that, and that's what we said. And this woman gonna lie and say none of that shit was true. Let's keep it going. Let's run it back one more time. One more time for the liars, nigga. Now remember, she said it was on her face. That attorney said it was on the clothing. That's one strike. Let's keep going.
That's why any of this is appropriate considering no motion has been filed. Yeah, that's the thing. I don't like being ambushed with all of this. This is... Nor do I, Your Honor. This is entirely inappropriate. If in fact the state was seeking a motion for pretrial detention, they should have done it. I mean... as far as the scaling order is concerned, I can certainly...
If the state was seeking pre-trial detention, they should have done it. The judge didn't say that. The judge didn't say that. I don't like being bombarded with shit that's not on paper. If it's not on paper and filed, it's just an allegation. The judge didn't say that. The judge didn't say that.
Do that. But I just can't go ahead with allegations from the state.
What?
Without giving notice to the defense. I mean, certainly I would hear it, but I can't do this in a vacuum like this. So
I can't do it like that unless it's on paper and filed. They're just allegations. Woo, that don't make no goddamn sense, bro. That don't make no motherfucking sense, boy. That don't make no motherfucking sense, boy. That people would just lie on other people because they mad. That's not how we do this. We want the whole truth and nothing but the truth. You just don't lie on somebody because you mad. Because y'all some nasty motherfuckers, boy. Y'all nasty, boy. Boy, y'all some nasty people in this world. Huh? Now look. Instead of apologizing, this person got caught with so many lies. This person got caught with all these lies. Instead of apologizing, look, why you protected Polight? The little girl was molested by Polight. You're a sick freak. Look at this. Instead of admitting that she lied about all of this shit that we had to go get the audio for, now that we're the sick freak. Yo, you can't make this shit up, blood. You can't make it up, nigga. You just can't make it up. See that? This is what's going on in the black community. Is you got black or whoever the fuck this motherfucking fake ass bitch is, they will lie on somebody. This girl got molested. Look at these people, man. This shit crazy. This don't make no fucking sense, man. Y'all know what the fuck going on, man. Don't let people lie. Just because you don't like somebody, you don't get to lie. Just because you believe something, you don't get to lie because you believe something. You nasty ass, dumb ass trick. What's up, Felicia? She said people don't, man, people, no, people listen, they turn shit into what they want to. You know what, Felicia? When you don't like somebody, you would just turn something into something that's not even on there. Okay, what up, Paul Graves? That's what, when you don't like somebody, you can take something you don't like about them and amplify it to whatever you want it to be. That is what people doing. They don't even know what the fuck they talking about. They want Sinetta to do what she doing. Yeah, Polight, you 100% guilty, and nigga, you should, nope, don't be like them, y'all. Let's just let it play out, y'all. Let it play out. Let's not be like people like Cat Smith and Solar Mind and them. We gonna let all this shit play out. And every time they drop some information, we just gonna try to figure out what it means, or we could go get the real lawyer Empower Esquire and let her break it down. You know what I'm saying? We gonna do stuff like that. We're not gonna jump out the window because everybody else or other people want to jump out the window. That's not how we do it. What up, Cassandra? What's going on? We not doing that, y'all. We not doing that because they want us to jump out the window. No. We not jumping out the window. We gonna let all this shit play out like we supposed to. We gonna let it all play out. And we just, little by little, we gonna try to get the best understanding every time he go back to court or something. We gonna try to get the best understanding of it. That's it. What up, Black Gods? You run it back? Or I run it back. I'll run it back. What up, Barn Dog? I run it back. Black girl say, that's law 101. The lawyer had to know this. So what's up with that? Thank you, Black Texas Cowgirl. Huh? The judge said, nigga, you already know what's up. What you doing in here talking about stuff you ain't got on paper? If you ever been to court, you know that you have to bring the evidence, or it's what? It's what? Everybody knows this. Even if you're not a lawyer, you cannot go to court with no paperwork in your hand. Even if you're not a lawyer. All of us knows this. Everybody who ever been to court knows if you got a complaint on somebody, you got to have the evidence in your hand. In your hand. And you had to not just have it in your hand, you must file a complaint. You had to go do the proper process before you get to court, or they're gonna say, so you what? We all know this, but you know, shit kind of crazy. Shit kind of crazy. Y'all know what's up, man. All right, we're gonna run it back for Cass. All right.
By Zoom as well.
It's sad that people do this, man.
All right, what is this on for? It says motion to increase bond.
Yes, Judge, I did not file a motion. So what happened in this case, Your Honor, is that this is a media case. He was arrested for punishable by life crimes. He should have been held no bond. However, this is one of those charges where the PBL comes in at the very end of the charge, and I think the clerk's office made an error, allowed him to bond out prior to seeing a bond appearance, or prior to going to bond hearing. Somehow I think he was given standard bond of $21,000, $10,000 on count 1 and count 2, and then $1,000 on count 3, Judge. My issue, Judge, is that there's no stay away order on the case yet. That's why Your Honor asked the defendant to be present. I also am very concerned that the defendant has been essentially terrorizing the victim. I mean, the victim's 14 years old, and there's been a lot of...
Since the arrest?
Since the arrest, Judge, he's been very communicative. He's been very vocal on social media, there's been videos of the victim drugged by this defendant leaked online. Your Honor, on this case, we do have DNA showing that the defendant's sperm was on the victim's clothing.
Your Honor, may I ask why any of this is appropriate considering no motion has been filed? Yeah, that's the thing. I don't like being ambushed with all of this. This is... Nor do I, Your Honor. This is entirely inappropriate. If in fact the state was seeking a motion for pretrial detention, they should have done it. I mean,
Judge,
as far as the stay-away order is concerned, I can certainly do that. But I just can't go ahead with allegations from the state
without giving notice to the defense. I mean, certainly I would hear it, but I can't do this in a vacuum like this. So the only thing that I know that this was reset for, which was advised to me the last time, is that the stay order was not properly presented, and I'm ready and able to do that at this time.
Judge, you are the first appearance, Judge, regarding the information that was filed, Judge. He was charged with a total of 6 counts, Judge, and they're different. They're all different from the charges, except for
Again,
one.
Your Honor, excuse me, I have to interrupt. This is entirely.
Hold on. Mr. Terrace, hold on. Let her finish. Just let her finish. I'll allow you to make your argument. Go ahead.
Thank you, Your Honor. He has been charged with 6 counts. One of them is the same, but there's 5 additional counts, Your Honor. Your Honor does have to set bond on those counts. And then the stay order has to be set. I will be filing a motion to respond. And I understand that Your Honor does not want to be ambushed. I will file that at a later time, but I did want to put the court on notice that with regards to the other bond amounts and maybe set, Judge.
All right.
So we definitely have to address bond.
Okay. Now, did you have a response, Mr. Terrace, and then I will deal with the information.
Yes, Your Honor. We don't. There is no motion pending before the court. The state, no one. Our side certainly did not ask for a schedule bond. That was something that the state of Florida decided to place on this case. Those charges were higher charges, and they were downfiled. It doesn't matter that there was more charges that were listed on the information. These are downfiled charges. Mr. Nowak is out on constitutional bond. There's no motion pending before this court, and there's no need for Ms. Garcia to just ambush us with additional information that she feels the court and the media in her speak should hear. So we are entirely prepared to address the motion that's before us. Not another word needs to be said regarding a motion that's not pending before this court. We do and are prepared to address the no contact situation today.
Okay. Now, first things first. First thing I have is an information that's been given to me by the clerk that was filed on September 14th, which was 3 days ago. And again, I have many cases on my calendar. Has this defendant been arraigned on this information?
He has, Your Honor.
He has, Judge.
He has. Okay, so he has been arraigned. I am looking at, there are a total of 6 counts. I, at this point, do not see that there are any non-bondable offenses. And there appears to be a second-degree felony for count 1, second-degree felony count 2. 3 is also second-degree, 4 second-degree, 5 is a first-degree misdemeanor, and 6 is a third-degree felony. So have all of the bonds been addressed at the time of the arraignment?
No, Judge.
Okay, well, that's what we need to do as far as that is concerned. And I will, what was he out on previously? Let's just start with that.
He was out on count 1 and count 2 for $10,000 each. And then count 3 on the information was a misdemeanor, so that was $1,000. So right now he has a total of $21,000 bond.
Okay, so 1 and 2. So what was added in the information?
So the counts 1 through 4 are all second-degree felonies. Those were not on the information on the.
Were not originally charged?
Correct. Also, Judge, count 6 is interference of custody. That one also was not charged. Count 5 was charged as count number 3 on the arrest form. So that one should stay at $1,000.
So then what was the original 10,000? If you're saying that 1 through 4 was not charged and then 6 was not charged, then what was the original charges where he got the two $10,000 and then $1,000?
So the original charges was count 1 was engaging in sexual activity with the child and familiar custodial authority. That was actually a PBL, but that charge, when it's input into the arrest form, it looks like an F1. So on that count, he was given $10,000. Then on count 2, it's sexual battery of a victim 12 to 17 years of age. That's an F1. That was another $10,000 bond. And then count 3 is count 5 on the information.
Okay. All right. So as it relates to the new information, the court is going to, on count 1, The defendant will be given a bond of $10,000. On count 2, defendant will be given a bond of $10,000. On count 3, defendant will be given a bond of $10,000. On count 4, defendant will be given a bond of $10,000. On count 5, that will be a $1,000. And count 6 will be $5,000 bond. All right, does corrections have that?
Yes.
Well, all right, clerks have that as well?
Yeah, I have it.
Okay. So he is going to need to post those additional amounts. If it was $21,000 originally, it's now going to be $46,000 additional bond. That's as to that issue. Anything further on that issue? And then we're going to get to the stay away order.
So, Judge, I do think it's important to note that he is a California resident. So I would ask that Your Honor consider that when setting the bonds. Are these standard bonds, Judge?
I do not know what is considered a standard bond on these, but these are the bonds that the court's going to be giving.
Okay. So, no, Judge, I'll be filing a motion to increase bond due to the facts of the case. The other, in addition to the bond, Judge, it's just a stay away order. I think I'm addressing.
Understood. All right, anything further from the defense as to the bonds for right now?
Your Honor, I don't see that the state has laid any grounds for why the bond amount should be increased. We
But
believe
we're not
that.
there yet. We're not there yet. There's no discussion right now. That's not what's before the court. The court just is setting bonds on the new counts.
These counts are downfallen. I just want to make that clear from the record, even though there's more of them.
Understood.
So but we would object to the entire bond amount increasing, considering these are downfiled charges.
Okay. Objection is noted.
Other than that, no.
All right, as it relates to the stay away order, okay, so apparently these are minors. Bring it up to the defendant's board.
Mr. Noah, can you unmute yourself?
And raise your right hand. Do you swear from the testimony you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, sir, you can put your arm down. Can you tell me your full name and your date of birth?
Michael Eugene Note Jr., born August 10th, 1983.
All right, thank you, sir. All right, so you are currently charged under case F21 14438 with several counts involving a minor victim. And the minor victim is identified as T like Thomas, S like Sam. Do you know who that is?
Yes.
All right. Sir, you are ordered that you can have no contact with TS. And when I say no contact, that means no direct contact or indirect contact. Indirect contact includes you cannot communicate with this individual via social media. You cannot call, you cannot text, you cannot reach out to this individual or in some way attempt to communicate through a third person. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, I do.
All right, now, I will just advise you and admonish you, this means what it says. I do not know whether or not you were given any type of a stay-away order, but as of right now, this stay-away order is in effect in that if you violate any terms of this stay-away order, that may be grounds for your bond status, your pretrial release status to be revoked, and you will be immediately taken into custody. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, I do.
Okay, anything further on that issue from the state?
No, Your Honor.
Anything further from that issue from the defense?
No, Your Honor.
All right, that is all that the court has before me. Are we done? Ms. Garcia?
I believe so, Judge. I just want the defendant to be aware that he should not be posting any social media posts or anything about this case, about the victim in this case. I know that there was a video of the victim leaked on social media. I'm concerned about the victim's, well-being regarding this case. So I just want to make sure the defendant's well aware that if that happens, we will be filing the appropriate motions to avoid that from happening.
All right. Well, just so it's clear. Yeah, just so it's clear. I just want both sides to know. Allegations are allegations. I certainly will respond to as some type of evidence shown to the court that the defendant has somehow violated the court's order. Now, let me hear from the defense.
Judge, I just want to make clear for the record as well that this arrest, Mr. Nowak has been compliant and has known about this investigation for far before his arrest, has come down and voluntarily submitted 2 warrants along the way because he has nothing to hide. Any allegations that the state is making about their fear that he might have been tampering or attempting to scare the alleged victim via social media, there's no order saying that he is not allowed to use social media. And I also would like to make clear that it took the state till 4:56 p.m. on the night before the arraignment to file an information here, and a reduced one. They were so scared, they had ample opportunity to file a motion in the meanwhile, and they failed to do so. So I don't believe that Your Honor has taken into consideration any of the arguments that they put forth regarding why they believe bonds should be increased, because that's inappropriate.
We're not there. I'm not even entertaining it. So let's not even. I don't even want to hear anything about it because nothing's before me as to an increase.
Well, Your Honor, it has the ability to set the additional counts that are allowed.
Well, I'm not. I can tell you I'm not. Based upon the only thing I have in front of me is an information. That's what I've decided as far as the bond is concerned. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less.
Well, we would object to Your Honor taking into consideration any of the statements made by Ms. Garcia in reaching that determination.
Okay. Now, however, I do need to just advise Mr. Nowak, based upon some of the arguments. I don't know what is out there that has been posted, but I will advise Mr. Nowak that if in fact there is evidence shown to the court that you have somehow been responsible for submitting some type of social media involving this victim, you may have a First Amendment right, but it is limited. And if the state can show that this was done with some type of intent to either harass or intimidate a witness, that's serious. So just keep that in mind. You certainly have a First Amendment right, but if you do something that somehow is intended to intimidate this witness, then the court will listen to what the allegations are and what evidence the state has presented. I think that can be the last word on this matter. I have a December 3rd report date. So what is that on for?
I believe that was just for the status, Your Honor, case disposition, regular.
Okay.
Course.
All right. As of right now, that's the next date that we have on this case. Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay,
Thank you, Your Honor.
take care. All right. Bye-bye.
Now, you see that? That's all you got to do, man. Just because you don't like a situation, man, you don't want to end up on the wrong side of the street. All right? You don't want to end up on the wrong side of the street. It's a lot of times I ended up on the wrong side of the street by believing one side of the story. Well, we ain't rocking like that no more. I don't want to just hear one side of the story. We need to know more. But this situation is very it's showing us who people really are, individually. All right. Now you see, no matter what that he's saying or that you saying, it's still a trial going on and it has to be done. He's in the court right now. It's not like those other cases where we just like, oh, nigga, we got the receipt, you scam, blah, blah. It ain't like that. This nigga's in the court. And in the court, you got to prove all of your shit. In the courts, this is not YouTube court. See, a lot of y'all is thinking this is YouTube court. Oh, no, we don't. Nah, see, in YouTube court, you niggas can believe lies. You can manipulate text messages. You can manipulate audio. You can do all of that. Show half of the receipt, show half of that, and make people believe that. That's YouTube court. So you niggas can get away with that in YouTube court. Nigga, this is not YouTube court, nigga. This is actual court. Where it doesn't matter all that tricks y'all niggas do on YouTube. That shit don't matter. This is different. You gotta prove all of that shit. And then you got to have people look over it and say it's sufficient evidence or insufficient evidence. This is not YouTube court. These niggas playing YouTube court. Nah, nigga, we seen this and we heard about this. We heard this. We heard that. We heard this. We heard that. And I believe, nah, nigga, that shit don't fly in regular court, nigga. It's other people who make those decisions in regular court. You niggas don't matter in regular court. Y'all don't even matter. You niggas out here doing all of this stupid shit and you don't even matter in regular court. In real court, you don't even matter, bro. Unless you can provide some sufficient evidence, you don't matter, nigga. So y'all niggas on YouTube doing all of this bullshit and you don't even matter in real court. Y'all playing YouTube court. Nigga, this is real court. This is why Sonetta said, I'm not playing YouTube court, because nigga, when niggas bring out this, you niggas switch it up. You niggas bring out that, you niggas switch it up depending on who you like and who you don't like. This is why Sonetta said, I'm not playing YouTube court with you niggas. I'm going to listen to the real courts and let the real courts sort it out. This is why Sonetta said that, because you got people like Cat, whatever that, and it's like Solar Mind and Suge Nasty Ass and Nyla Says and Stupid Ass Taz and Suave Boss and Nicki and Tahaka Bay. All of these niggas is playing YouTube court. They're playing YouTube court depending on who they like, who they don't like. Now you got Tahaka Bay saying, Sonetta better come out and say he messed up. Sonetta didn't have to come out and said he messed up. Sonetta heard something and he went live and he talked about it. That's all Sonetta did. Tahaka Bay jumping the gun, going after Sonetta after they just pieced it up. Tahaka Bay, what are you doing? You and Sonetta just pieced it up. I don't care, family. I'm going for the truth. Tahaka Bay, you're not going for the truth. You fuck with Solar Mind. Tahaka Bay has yet did a video on Solar Mind and his charges. So Tahaka Bay can't say he for the truth if he does not put Solar Mind on the hot seat. Okay? So Tahaka Bay is not for the truth. He's lying. He's fucking with Solar Mind, who's actually got paperwork that he doesn't want to put on the screen. These niggas are playing YouTube court versus real court. So leave Sonetta alone. Leave Napa alone. Nicki is another nigga who playing YouTube court instead of real court. Nicki is responsible for a lot of shit that Polight is doing right now because Nicki was right there when he was doing it. And now Nicki is getting called out everywhere. He wants to run behind Solar Mind and Queen's Throne. How can Nicki be for the truth if he's lining himself up with Solar Mind and Suave Boss and Queen's Throne? Huh? Now we got to give YK the truth the props on that. YK the truth, we got to give him the props. YK the truth is right. YK the truth is right. Nicki, your ass is mad at Polight because your ass didn't get the cut of certain money. YK was right about that. YK was right when he said, Nicki, your ass is only turning on Polight because of the fucking money. Hold on real quick. Hold on. All right, we back. She said Nicki was protecting York, saying he was drugged up. I don't know nothing about that. Who that is? What up to Black Anonymous says, hey, how you doing? I think Sonetta is culpable because Sonetta knew of a child in his family whose mother Polight was dating and who ran away with Polight. Okay, that is you are correct. You have a right to say that because Sonetta did say he knew. Sonetta made a video saying, hey, I know that girl. I knew her before you. Okay, so you are right. You are right in that assessment because Sonetta put footage out there that implicated himself and saying, I know that little girl and I know what's going on. And you Dr. Baby York. So Black Anonymous, you are right. I cannot argue against that. Because Sonetta put the video out there saying, I know that little girl. I think he said I knew her before you too. So, hey, I understand where you're coming from. If you were able to judge by YouTube court, would you all be guilty? No, because niggas be switching it up. You know, YouTube court, they let all type of people off at YouTube court. You know that. Depending on what platform you go on, you know what I'm saying? Motherfuckers would just let you out. You know what I'm saying? The YouTube court, a lot of these people get away with stuff. So YouTube court does not count. Y'all know that. People let people off on YouTube court no matter what. You can look. People are letting Auntie Big Nose off when a 15-year-old said Auntie Big Nose Suge was contacting me and trying to send me money and trying to groom me with clothes and stuff without my mama knowing. And they still saying, no, that's a lie. That's a lie. A 15-year-old said Suge tried to send her money, contacted her on IG, and try to groom her without her parents' permission. And they still said, it's a lie. It's a lie. You can't win on YouTube court. These people are sick. You can't win. You can bring out all the with a fire stick. You can bring out all the evidence, and people still will find a way to say it's a lie. Okay? They would still find a way. A 15-year-old said Suge was bothering her, and people said it was a lie. They don't even believe when the kids tell when the children say what it was. They still don't believe it. So I mean, you can't, man. This shit is sad, man. He said something on the internet, but he didn't report it to the authority. Yeah, I understand that. I understand that, Black, and I understand Nicki was protecting York, saying I don't know nothing about York was drugged up. I never heard that. I believe Nicki is part of the HOK mess. What do you say? I believe Nicki was part of the HOK mess. They all knew each other's dirt, but they don't say anything until something happens around money or women. Well, Black Anonymous, that goes when you're in a circle of friends. That usually how it goes. When you're a circle of people doing business, that usually how it goes. You don't really call each other out unless y'all upset about something. That usually how it goes. So I'm not even upset about that because that when you in a crew with somebody, that usually how it goes. You have to like really piss them off most of the time for somebody to say something. You know what I'm saying? That's how I go. I'm not even mad at that. Up the live sharing. Yeah, you know that, man. Thank you, Robbie. What up? What up? Shout out to Robbie. You heard? Suicide make a YouTube court page. Nah, I'm good on that shit. I ain't doing that shit. My suicide page is basically a YouTube court page, I guess. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? So I think, YouTube court is different. Tahaka Bay is rocking with Soleiman. He can't act like he don't know Soleiman is on the hot seat. Tahaka Bay can't pretend like he haven't seen the videos. Tahaka Bay know damn well what Soleiman is out here getting accused of and not accused what the paperwork is. Tahaka Bay is playing enemy of my enemy even while saying he's for the truth. Nicki is playing enemy of my enemy while all saying he's for the truth. See what I'm saying? In these situations, you can't be doing that because then your credibility gets shot. So this is why you got to ask yourself. Nicki is lining up with Soleiman and Swab Boss and Queen's Throne nasty ass. Come on, man. All because of Sonetta. Yeah, this shit ain't making no goddamn sense, man. Okay, this ain't making no sense, man. So if anybody want to come up before I go, man, I'm out of here. Y'all be cool. I'll see y'all in the morning. Y'all know the vibes, man. I'll give y'all a chance to come up real quick. If that's what you want to do. If not, then y'all know what it is. And I'll see y'all in the morning. All right, I'll see y'all next video or something. This shit crazy, bro. That lady said, The judge never said that. What? The judge did say that. The judge never said that. The judge never said that. The judge never said this. And the judge never said that. The judge definitely said that. No, the judge didn't. She was prepared. Y'all lying. She was prepared. She was not prepared to talk about the social media. Where you get that from? He was prepared. You guys are lying on her like she was not prepared. When it came to the social media, she was not prepared. You guys are lying on her. You guys lie so much. Why are you lying? You guys lie about everything. All you guys do is lie. Lies. All you guys do is lie about everything. Why do you lie? You play the video. You guys are sick trying to protect Polight. Polight did it. Polight did it. It doesn't matter if you believe he did it. He's not in YouTube court. He's in actual court. You can believe what you want, but you can't tell me to believe what you believe. Okay, you can't say that. You in YouTube court crying. He's in actual court. He has to fight actual court. Okay, and if you ain't got your stuff in line in actual court, then people can slip through the cracks. Haven't you watched enough videos to know that people can slip through the cracks? You haven't watched enough videos to know that? If you don't go to court and have your information together, people can slip through the cracks. You haven't been paying attention? Oh man, I know you know better than that. I don't understand, man. People be wilding, bro. People be out here wilding, bro. This is crazy. This is crazy. God damn. Go look, y'all. Inky live right now. Now go live. Now go look. Inky live right now. Rabbit Got the Gun TV presents platform featuring Swab Boss, fake ass nigga, Queen's Throne fake, Solarmine, Chief X, and more exclusive. Yo, you at some point y'all gotta keep it on. Like, this is sad, bro. What is this? This don't make no sense, man. Remember, there's minors involved and people are playing. There's minors involved and people are playing enemy of my enemy. People don't even care who's telling the truth. They don't even care what the truth is. They're just playing enemy of my enemy while minors are involved. I want y'all to understand that. Minors are involved and they are playing enemy of my enemy. All of them are just playing this game while minors are involved. And they keep saying, we care. Nigga, I'm not playing enemy of my enemy when minors are involved. That actually makes no sense. I'll be fake to say YK wasn't telling the truth right there. Yes, YK called out Inky. Inky, you just mad because of some money. You just mad over the money, Inky, that's it. Sonetta said the same thing. You just mad over some money, Inky, that's it. Inky admitted he's really mad over the money. So YK the Truth was telling the truth. Inky, you only mad because of money. That's how you got to keep it. I can't say, well, I disagree with what's his name? I disagree with YK the Truth on this, so I'm not going to tell the truth. Since I disagree with YK the Truth on this, I'm not going to tell the truth that he kept it real when he called out Inky and it came true. Inky cried about the money. Sonetta said it was about the money. He played the video on Kev Gills, how he admitted it was about the money. So it's only about the money with Inky. It's not about who Polight is. It's only about the money. Now, maybe earlier, Inky probably cared when he called him out about the paperwork. But after a while, Inky didn't care about Polight scamming. That's why he joined him. All you got to do is go on YouTube and try to find the history. When Inky had dreads, he called out Polight. So why is Inky messing with Polight after knowing that he scammed people? Now you got to look at Inky and say, wait, Inky, you called out Polight for scamming with people when you had dreads, but then you end up joining him anyway after you called him out for scamming people? Inky, what's up with you, bro? You can't. Why would you call a nigga out for scamming and then join him to basically help scam niggas some more? And since he scammed you, that was the problem. So you can't just say Sonetta did that. Nigga, you did it too. And that was going on. So Inky is running around acting like he don't know. Okay? Inky is running around playing these games like he don't know. But he knows everything. That's why he's hiding behind Solarmine, nasty ass. I mean, he doesn't even know how stupid he looked hanging with Queen's Throne and Solarmine. Like, that doesn't even make any sense. But that's how it goes. Tahaka Bay hanging out with Solarmine. You can't call out Polight hanging out with Solarmine while his paperwork is right there. All these people is playing fake ass YouTube games. This is what it is. Now, if you start paying attention, you will realize it's all what they say: family, 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 family. They all trying to take Sonetta down while doing the same exact thing. How you trying to take Sonetta down hanging with Solarmine? How do you do that? How you trying to take Sonetta down hanging with Suge nasty ass? You can't do that. How you trying to take Polight and Sonetta down if you hanging with ZX nasty ass? These niggas are so stupid that they hang with ZX, Suge, and Solarmine and Inky and all of them, and you think you can target Polight and motherfucking Sonetta. You can't, man. If you hang with those dirty people, you cannot target Sonetta at all. You can't. But you know, they think they can. They think they got it all figured out. They think they so slick. This shit is sad, man. It really is. It's sad, bro. It's sad out here, man. But you know, we gonna keep talking what we talking about, man. They never know nothing, just money. You know that shit, man. They never know nothing, just money, man. You know what's up, man. Look, we can read between the lines, and we can see that's all they do is lining up. That's all they do is running around trying to escape what it is because they out here funny style ass niggas. Why you? I be waiting like, nigga, let's go. What these niggas at? These niggas think they slick, but they not. They all nasty. That's why they accept it. They all trying to use children. Pay attention how nasty these people is. They trying to use children as they spokes like the mascot, right? They using children as they main focus of why they doing something while hanging with niggas who violate children. Okay? How the hell can I hang out with niggas who violate children while saying protect the children at the same time? You can't hang with niggas who violate children like Solarmine and Suge nasty ass and Inky knowing what the fuck Polight was doing. You can't hang and ZX nasty ass. You can't hang with people like that and say, I'm protecting the children. Your homie is violating children like this. What you talking about? Oh, you know what I'm saying? Nah, what they did wasn't the same thing. What up, Majestic? Well, nah, that's not true what they did. You know what I'm saying? No, but what they did was a little bit different. Man, come on, man. These niggas is crazy out here. That's why I told you, man. You gotta watch out when you play enemy of my enemy. You gonna get caught in some shit that niggas like me ain't gonna let you get out of. I'm not gonna let them get out of this. I ain't gonna let them get out of this. They can run around and hide. See, they playing YouTube justice. YouTube justice, you can jump on other niggas' panels and team up. You go to court, nigga, you gonna be an accessory to a crime. Do you understand that? In YouTube court, you can play this fake ass game. Tell them niggas to go support those niggas while they in court. You're gonna be an accessory to a motherfucking crime. Guilty by association. Do you see the difference? In YouTube court, you won't really get in trouble. You can just play all these games. Tell them niggas to go ride out with them niggas so they can be guilty by association and be in there looking stupid as a motherfucker. These niggas don't make no goddamn sense, man. These niggas don't make no goddamn sense, man. You got it. That's why I don't play that. That's why you don't see the I'm not playing with none of them because I already know what it is. That's all they do. They playing fucking fake ass YouTube court. Take your ass over there in real court. Your ass gonna be guilty by association. You niggas gonna get caught up in so much gang stalking charges and all of that because you stupid. You dumb. You niggas are dumb as hell. You niggas are dumb. You dox somebody and something happened to them, nigga, you are responsible for that. Huh? If you dock somebody and something happened to them, you are responsible for that. These niggas be doxing people not knowing they are responsible if something happened to them. That's how stupid these niggas is. They are dumb. They think they got all this money they can just get out of it. Nigga, stop the capping, bro. That shit crazy, bro. I told y'all I'm the nigga. What? These niggas are clowns, man. This is why I do my own thing, bro. She said, shit, don't tell, man. Nah, hey, Raw, you can tell these niggas and they still would do it. They think they untouchable, Raw. You can tell them what it is and they still would do it because they think they untouchable. You know that. So why do people hate successful people? Nah, it's not about hating successful people, dog. That's not what it is. You got certain people who are just jealous and who do hate successful people. You got other people who got this inside malice. You know what I'm saying? And so they'll jump on anybody bandwagon to try to bring a certain individual down. A lot of it is just learned behavior. If you teach yourself not to hate on somebody, eventually you'll stop hating on niggas. A lot of this shit is just monkey see, monkey do, insecurities, jealousy, envy, and that or learned behavior. Oh man, somebody wearing something I don't like. Man, them niggas crazy. Or somebody doing something I don't like. Man, they sellouts. You got two people who date, but they different races. Oh man, it's self-hate. Nigga, that's a lot of that shit is learned behavior. So you have to unlearn and relearn. You gotta unlearn and relearn. A lot of this shit is learned behavior, or niggas just jealous or envy of something, and they'll join the motherfucking bandwagon. I had to teach myself to stop looking at people who do something different and get upset or say something wrong with them because they doing something I don't like. Nigga, I don't care if a nigga paint his nails, ain't got nothing to do with me. A nigga want to wear a dress, ain't got nothing to do with me. A nigga want to date another nigga, ain't got nothing to do with me. Nigga, ain't none of that shit got nothing to do with me. What the fuck am I mad that an individual want to do what they want to do? Why am I mad because the individual want to do what they want to do with their life? Does that make any sense? I'm going to get up every day and mad. Man, that person wearing a dress, man. Why is that nigga wearing a dress, man? Man, I got kids. What the fuck does this nigga wearing a dress got to do with me and my kids? Not a goddamn thing. No, the influence, man. The influence. So you mean to tell me a stranger got more influence than you? Y'all telling me that these niggas get to cry about strangers, and you mean to tell me a stranger got more influence than you? So since society put it out there, you mean to tell me that a stranger got more influence than you? Then you need your fucking ass beat. If a stranger got more influence than you over your own kid, then that's your goddamn fault. That's not the stranger's fault to raise your motherfucking kids. It ain't the stranger's fault to motherfucking, oh, don't wear a dress when you in public because my son gonna see you. Nigga, what about the billboards? These niggas don't call the places that make the billboards all over the world. These niggas ain't protesting at all of these goddamn bars when the girls got their titties all in your child face. The goddamn, some of the waitresses come to your fucking table with the titties all busted out. I don't see you saying, I think that's inappropriate that the waitress titties is out. You niggas gonna order your food and shut the hell up. You're gonna order your food and shut up. I don't see y'all niggas crying about the people who make all them goddamn commercials with them sexual commercials. You ain't calling the company saying, protest. You niggas are bullshitting, man. You're picking and choosing who you want to target. Get the fuck out of here. Little Nas X, Nicki Minaj ain't got nothing to do with your daughter. If you let your daughter watch Nicki Minaj, that's on you. That's an adult doing adult entertainment. Why you got your child watching adult entertainment? Niggas don't want to take no responsibility. You got your children watching adult entertainment and say the adult, you shouldn't be an adult. You should not be doing this. I'm an adult, nigga. What the fuck is you talking about? Why you got your kids watching adult entertainment? Because these niggas, they want to use they want to use, I'm going to blame you. No, nigga, you shouldn't be letting your kids watch adult entertainment then. You shouldn't let them watch no adult movies where they're going to have sex in it. They didn't know there was sex in there. You mean you don't know that there's sex in there when they put it? Rated R, nudity, slight nudity. They tell you before the movie come on, it's probably going to be some sex in the movie. There's going to be some nakedness in the movie. And you still let your kids watch it. And they blame other people for you letting your kids watch it. Do you understand how crazy that is? The movie tells you it's going to be killing in it. It's going to be this in it. It's going to be that in it. And you still let your child watch it. And then you will tell somebody, man, why you doing that? Why you doing? That's wrong, man. That's wrong. Why are you letting your kids watch and play these games? Then if you know what it is, don't buy them the game. Oh man, it's a lot of killing. So why did you buy your kid the game? You can't blame black ops when you actually put the black ops in your fucking game and let your son play it. You let your children play all the killing games and the zombie games, and now you get to blame the game? You bought the game. You have control over your household, what niggas say or do or play or watch in your house? So I'm confused. Whose fault is it? It's your fault. It's your fault. Come on, man. We can't be doing that, bro. We can't be blaming everybody for shit that we allow in our house. You play your grown folks' music around your kids. You play your grown folks' music around your kids, and they gonna act like, oh, man, niggas play their grown folks' music around their kids. And then they'll blame the entertainer. They blaming the entertainer for this. Nigga, you playing my music around your kids. How is it that my fault? How is that my fault? They gonna blame the entertainer. Man, why you doing that? Why you doing this? Why you doing that? Come on, man. Come on, this shit's sad, bro. These niggas crazy, bro. When he said I used to like Queen's Throne, what did he say? Used to like Queen's Throne. Man, Queen's Throne has showed you what she do. She turned on Sinetta because Sinetta said he wanted to wait until the courts was over. So she started attacking his wives and stuff. Man, and then now she rocking with Solomon, who got actual paperwork. Doesn't Queen's Throne do videos on niggas like Solomon and goes against niggas like Solomon? So how can a woman who based her whole channel off niggas like Solomon and stay away, and now she's rocking with that nigga? Do y'all understand how niggas are using children as a cover-up for their nasty fucking ways? That's what I want y'all to understand. Queen's Throne used her whole channel to say the children, the children. Now we see that shit was a front. She's rocking with a nigga who she does videos on every day. She does videos on niggas like Solomon, and now she teamed up with a nigga like him who got paperwork and everything. This nigga had to do classes and everything. And you mean to tell me that you rocking with a nigga like Solomon and you do videos against niggas like so? Man, this shit ain't. Queen's Throne is a whole joke, nigga. She a whole fucking joke. I'm not saying you a dummy at all. I'm saying you have biasness towards Polight and told us that we can't. You can't have biasness towards somebody and tell somebody else they can't have biasness. Nigga, you got to be fair with that shit. These niggas is crazy out here, man. I can't fuck with them. That's why I can't fuck with them. Swoosh guy, bro, how you feel about True Freeman dissing you? Man, don't come over here with that stupid ass shit, nigga. Get the fuck up out of here. Don't care about nothing, nigga. Get out of here with that True Freeman. Didn't look like we talking about True Freeman, nigga. All y'all do is run around trying to start shit. Nigga, get out of here with that dumb ass shit. You sound like an idiot. Yeah, this shit kind of crazy, man. I don't understand that shit. Man, come on, man. Look, you know these niggas don't want to have a conversation with me, man. You know they don't. I be trying, like, what these niggas that? Because they know, man. Like, look, they know. So I'm not going to let them slide with that stuff. They be letting people slide. I'm not going to let them slide. People be dissing Sue on the YouTube streets, and nigga, I don't give a fuck, nigga. I don't care about none of that. You feel me, nigga? I don't care about that shit. I don't give a fuck. Nigga, I've been here since 2017. You think I care about that shit, man? I don't give a fuck about none of that shit. I don't care, nigga. You know what I'm saying? I do videos and niggas do videos on me. Whoop-de-fucking do. Who gives a fuck, nigga? You know what I'm saying? I don't care. Long as he tell the truth, that's all that matters. If you lie, then we gotta get busy. But if you do a video on me and you telling the truth, you good. Go ahead and do your video. But if you lying, nigga, we gonna dance. That's it. I make videos on people. People can make videos on me. Nigga, what's the big deal? That's what's wrong with people, man. They get on YouTube and social media making videos on people. They start crying when niggas make videos on them. Bro, that's how this shit go. How can you critique somebody but say people can't critique you? Does that make any sense? I can critique you, but you can't critique me. Nigga, what? What the? I can critique you, but you can't critique me. Nigga, it's supposed to be videos made about me because I make videos on other people, which means they're not going to agree with my opinion and they want to critique a nigga. That's how this shit go. I don't care about nobody dissing me, boy. That shit ain't about nothing. I'm happy, good. Do your thing. Long as you ain't lying on a nigga, you can diss me all you want. You could crack jokes on me. Why would I cry to somebody cracking jokes on a nigga? Crack jokes on me, nigga. I crack jokes on niggas too. Come on, man. Come on, man. People be getting up here wilding, bro. Niggas be making all type of videos on people trying to debunk niggas' religions and shit, and then get up here crying because niggas bombing on their ass. Man, you in the business of trying to debunk niggas and calling niggas fake and saying niggas wilding so people can't make videos on you and do the same goddamn thing? Of course they can. Come on, man. Stop playing, bro. People crazy, bro. People gotta stop this shit. People gotta stop, man. All right, people gotta stop. Niggas really be crying about grown men wearing dresses. Grown men wearing dresses, and people look up to them. So, nigga, don't people in your house look up to you? What the fuck are you doing to prepare them about outside world? It's your job to prepare your children for the outside world. No. It's your goddamn job to prepare your kids or whoever you are guardian over for the outside world. Nigga, I don't know you. It ain't my job to accommodate your children. Niggas be putting role model statuses on people who didn't ask for it. How you gonna say somebody a role model and they didn't ask to be a role model? You're supposed to be a role model. Nigga, I didn't say that. Where you get that from? Well, because you in the public eye, you're supposed to be a role model. No, I'm not, nigga. If your kids look up to me, nigga, that's on you. That's on you if your kids look up to me. Don't put that on me. I'm here to do my thing. I'm here to just make my money and do my thing. I didn't say I wanted to be no goddamn role model for no kids. I never said that. You have to be. You have to be. No, the fuck I don't. Who the fuck said that? These niggas are crazy, bro. As soon as you do that to them, hey man, what, nigga, you're not supposed to do that. People are watching. What do they tell you? All right, man, see you later. I'm about to get up out of here too. What they tell you? What they tell you? When you say, okay, same thing for you. Man, you can't tell me what to do. I'm grown. Wait, what? You can't tell me what to do. I'm grown. I do what the fuck I want to do. You can't tell me what to do. So why are y'all trying to tell everybody else what to do? Why are y'all telling everybody? Why y'all trying to say, you need to do this, you better do this? Why y'all, if niggas can't tell you to do that, why are you out here trying to tell other people what the hell they should do? That's that bullshit, and they know it. They know that bullshit. Get out of here. So when I do it back to you, man, get out of my business. Let me do what I want to do. Hey, man, it's none of your business. I'm grown. So those people, Lil Nas X is grown. Nicki Minaj is grown. All those rappers are grown. They're doing adult stuff. They're not kids. They're grown. So if you get to go in your house and do what you want to do and go outside and do what you want to do, so should they be able to do what the fuck they want to do in their profession. You go to work and do your work. They're entertainers. They're going to do their work. There's called adult entertainment. Adult entertainment has sex on it too. Has cuss words on it, has adult things happening. That's why they got PG-13 movies and they got rated R movies, because it's a difference. Okay? They got PG-13 movies and they got rated R movies. So I'm confused on how y'all blame it. They got PG-13 music and they got rated R music. I'm confused, everybody. I'm just confused. I'm confused on this shit. I'm confused. Lady Lied told you to drop the link when you lied on her, Candy, but you were scared. Boy, first of all, how can I lie on them when we know it's the truth? So you can get that out of your goddamn head. That's cap, nigga. Okay, sound off with your dumb ass. First of all, tell the whole story right. If you don't know the situation, how can you say, I lied? Huh? How can you say somebody lied if you don't even know the situation? These niggas are hilarious, bro. Bro, these people wild. These people are hilarious, man. Please understand that. Please understand that. Please understand how people be lying. So how you gonna be Team True Freeman but say he dissed me at the same time? And these niggas make no sense. You was scared to drop the link. Nigga, I dropped the link for Candy plenty of times. Lady Lie came on my shit before too. I'm confused on what you're talking about. And plus, you don't know that niggas, there's a motive certain times when niggas don't drop the link. There's a motive for that. Ain't nobody scared of no fucking Lady Lie, nigga. Get the fuck up out of here. If you watch Lady Lie and you don't know that she been lying on people, that's on you. That ain't on me. I'm out of here, y'all. That's on you. You watch Lady Lie and don't know that she been getting caught in a whole bunch of lies. That's on you, not on us. That's how stupid niggas is. Niggas will go to a chat room, act like you don't know what time it is. Oh, okay. This is why Lady Lie has not been to Sinetta talking about dropping the link. Has she went to Sinetta yet? Because I guess Sinetta was lying too, huh? Has she been over to Sinetta yet? Has she called in to Sinetta to plead her case yet? Oh, I guess the sound off ain't got nothing for that. Because, you know, Sinetta called her ass out too. So if she's saying Sinetta lying, how come she ain't called in none of his shows? He been going live damn near every day. She ain't calling none of them shows yet? Because y'all niggas know better than that, man. Come on, man. That Lady Lie been getting caught out here for a long time. We know who that is. Okay? And if I want to drop a link, I can. And if I don't want to drop a link, I can. That's the way I play my game. The fuck? The hell's wrong with your ass? Man, I'm out of here, man. Y'all be cool. Y'all stay blessed. Suicide is gone. Y'all all right? So I'm gone, man. Peace out to all of y'all niggas, man. Be cool, be careful, man. Instead, make sure you making your own decision. People out here riding around, listening to other people, man, and not even keeping it funky. Well, this person said it, so I'm gonna believe it. You know, a lot of y'all don't even know how y'all being tricked. A lot of these people been tricking y'all niggas too. Y'all don't even know that.
Who the fuck did this?
It's the pros.
People.